Hi Ray, I've just gone into the Kakadu page, and under Nilangi Rock there is talks are conducted by park rangers. If I click on that, it's opening up in the same tab, and I thought, well, we did, didn't we, set up the link so that all links would open up in a new tab. You created a script for that. So here's the code here, and the problem was that WordPress was stripping out target equals underscore blank to open it up in a new page, and this link otherwise is okay. It just doesn't have target underscore blank. And yeah, I believe we wrote a script, or you wrote a script, so that it would open up anyway. Could you just have a look at that and see if that script is working, and get this link to open up in a new tab? I mean, I could put target equals blank in here, but I just want to ensure that all links like this have a fail-safe of the script to open them up in a new tab. So I'll leave it with you. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.